catch the Causeway Bay MTR station right there as well. It's pretty cool. This corner as well. So we're just gonna film everything that we see here. Fresh fish. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this little alley. I'm not sure the name of this, but I'm kind of near Causeway Bay. They call it, sometimes they call it CWB. I'm sure I'll see the name in a minute. Basically there's a kind of a marketplace. Over there is Times Square Mall. I have filmed over there before. I'm not gonna film there today. I'm gonna do something a little bit different, as always. This is kind of a mess right here. I guess we'll see if I can get around in this space. Food truck. Okay, so we're gonna step out of here. Okay, so now we're moving. Look at this cool table. It's a nice circular table right there. Okay, so straight down here there's a kind of a marketplace and some kind of a warehouse kind of feel as well. Some restaurants. So let's just check it out. Trading companies, so there's kind of a more warehouse, but things are moving in and out, fresh vegetables. So I think a lot of fruits and vegetables hit this area. Kind of cool looking building. So you got little alleys, lots of different people, fruit. This one is durian. So actually this is kind of filming space. Fruits and vegetables. So yeah, this one it leads into Times Square, which is right there, which is a shopping mall, and also you can catch the Causeway Bay MTR station right there as well. It's pretty cool. This corner as well. So we're just gonna film everything that we see here. Fresh fish. Oh, the lighting just went funny. More fresh fish. And fresh meat. It's all cuts of meat here. Including tongue. And we got some fresh vegetables. And more fresh meat. So, okay. Pretty cool space. So we're just going to walk into the main street here in a minute. And then the main street is up here. Okay, there's more meat markets, food market. Okay. Maxim's Cakes. So let's catch the name of this one. This is called Boddington Road. So I'm just going to go over there and capture the sign. Boddington Road. So that's the alley right there. Now we're just going to continue on into the main street. Western Kowloon. And we will conclude Kaplan, that's a testing center. Language testing. Okay, so we're kind of on the main street and we'll conclude here. So that little market is off of the street and you can see the trams coming by and things like that. this is where you catch the buses. All right.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,